Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? This is Jared Wesley of Live Traders for another trade review. Today's trade review is on BIIB. What an awesome trade that this was today. Always, guys, you know this is what we do here at Live Traders. We start with what we call a top-down approach, which means we start with the daily chart and then drill down to lower time frames until we find an appropriate entry. So let's take a look at this daily chart here on the bottom left, okay? Yesterday, this stock had a bottoming tail, which means buyers stepped up later in the day. There's also a pivot next to this, so this is basically a retest. Today, BIIB gaps up into this 320 area, and if you'll notice, it has room to 330, right? You draw a line right there where my cursor is. That's the 320 area. It has room to 330. Why? Because that's the prior pivot area where sellers came in before. So using the top-down approach, we're doing two things here. One, we're looking at a very strong daily chart, which means I want to trade this thing. Okay, it's got a lot of relative strength. We all know the market, the Qs and the SPY and the NASDAQ, all those things are bullish today. In fact, we're on a 6 or 7 day run in the market. So you want to stay on the bullish side until we get a pullback. So we have a bullish daily chart. But we also need to have what we call tradable void. And the tradable void from this stock is from 320 to 330. So that's a great start with our top-down approach. We start with the daily chart. Now I'm going to drill down. In this case, I'm going to drill down to the 2-minute because guess what? Even though we have a great daily chart, even though we have relative strength, even though the market is likely to go higher, you still have to have a pattern. We are pattern-based traders. We're technical traders. So let's take a look at that drill down to the 2-minute. There's the 2-minute chart on BIIB. The first bar of the day. Wow, impressive, right? Wide range bar goes from 320 all the way up to 325. Guys, that's an awesome start to this thing. However, it's almost a little bit too good. Is that possible? It is. It's almost a little too good. Why? Well, once you go $5, you need a break. It's just like asking you, if you just ran a 100 or 200 meter sprint, do you want to do it again without any rest? No, you want to take a break for a few minutes and then do it again. Well, that's exactly what we got on BIB. We call this the Live Traders 3-bar play. In this case, it's a 4-bar play. Okay, so we have a wide range igniting bar followed by two narrow range resting bars. One of the things I want you to notice here is notice the high of this bar, and this bar are about the same. That is fantastic. Okay, you want the stock to rest. See, if it went higher, it's not resting. If it went higher, it's not resting. So the first bar is that sprint. We call it an igniting bar. Boom, blast off, right? The next two bars are resting bars, okay? They're allowing you to sit down, take a breather, and then get up and sprint again. And that's exactly what happened here. The fourth bar, hence 4-bar play, triggers at the 324.50 to 325 area. I got a little bit before that, okay? Blast off. Pop, pop, pop. This thing went $6, almost $7, guys. Here's what it looks like. Textbook 4-bar play, easy money. 325 by 322. I got it out at 9:34. I actually adjusted the entry verbally for everybody in the room. But guys, it didn't trigger till 9:36, 9:37. You had 3-4 minutes to look this thing over, check it out. The target area was 329. Remember, I adjusted this a little bit later. So we got in sooner and we also got out a little sooner. Guys, this is textbook. This is right out of Professional Trading Strategies, guys. This book that you see right there, that's Professional Trading Strategies. 16-hour course. Best information in the industry. Why is it the best? Not only because it comes from one of the best traders you'll meet, but because it goes over topics that nobody else goes over, right? And what I mean by topics nobody else goes over, we talk about ECN routes. We talk about level 2. We talk about how to get filled on trades, how to build a trading plan, what are realistic expectations. Everybody's coming in and saying, oh, you can make $1 gazillion in your first 20, 30, 40 days in this business. I come in and say, whoa, slow down. Slow down. It's going to take you a little longer than that. We talk about how long it'll take to succeed in the trading business. We talk about level 2, ECN routes, trading fees. We talk about this as a business. Why? Because it is a business. It's a business, okay? Here's the trade on BIIB, guys. It's beautiful, and it was money. It's a 2-minute chart. Done trading today by 9:45 to 9:50. Done trading. That's what it looks like, guys. Not a bad day. Not a bad day, especially when you consider you go right there, 9:44, gone. Gone at 9:44. One and done and move on. Actually did take 2 trades. I took one on Selg today also. Selg. We made good money on that. Made good money on Bib. 2 trades done before 10 o'clock. My goal is, I tell you guys every day, start at 9 a.m., scan, put a watch list together, then you put a favorites list together from the watch list. When the market opens, you attack it. From 9:30 to 10 o'clock, done. Take 2 to 4 trades, done. So that means 1 hour of work, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is awesome. I live on the West Coast. That's basically 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. This allows you to go play golf. This allows you to do other things, spend time with the family, the kids, spend time. If you have another job, do that. I have run multiple businesses, guys, from trading to real estate to other investing. I have a meeting with a hedge fund manager coming up next week. I mean, these are things you want to live your life, right? Well, you need multiple streams of income. Trading is just one of them. So don't waste. I don't want to call it wasting. Don't spend your entire day, all 8 to 10 hours on this. Get good enough that you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a day. This on BIIB was a textbook play right out of the PTS Professional Trading Strategies Manual. Trading is very simple, guys. It's not always easy because of the mental aspects, but it's simple, just like this pattern. Jared Wesley here from Live Traders, guys. I hope you enjoyed the trade review. Have a good one. I'll see you again in the future. Take care, guys.
Flying at 45,000 feet up in the clouds. Still up in the clouds, getting my learn on professional trading strategies. Live trader style, guys. Heading to Canada. Got to meet a fund manager up there. We got a lot of business to take care of. Some last minute stuff came up last night. So I'm heading up there on a moment's notice. That's what it takes in business sometimes, guys. You gotta work hard, you gotta play hard, you gotta always be available for your clients, all right? Have a good one. I'll be seeing you soon. I'll be back in a few days, all right? Take care, guys. Work hard, play hard.